Hello. In this video, I'm going to go over the academic integrity standards at Georgetown University. The objectives of this presentation are to define and provide clear examples of academic integrity and academic misconduct in multiple contexts, to discuss the possible repercussions of academic misconduct, and to introduce strategies and tools to avoid academic misconduct in assignments and publications. What exactly is academic integrity? According to the Center for Academic Integrity, it is a commitment, even in the face of adversity, to 5 fundamental values: honesty, trust, fairness, respect, and responsibility. Examples of academic misconduct are plagiarism, unacknowledged paraphrase, cheating, fabrication of data, facilitating academic dishonesty, unauthorized collaboration, misuse of otherwise valid academic work, misuse of academic resources, and depriving others of equal access to academic resources. The definition of plagiarism is the presentation of someone else's ideas, writings, or statements as one's own. Plagiarism is a serious breach of academic integrity, and anyone who is found to have committed plagiarism will be subject to disciplinary action. Examples of plagiarism are: when explaining a concept in a paper, I use the definition provided in a lecture, but don't provide a citation. Someone trying to pass off an entire paper as their own. To gather sources and ideas for papers, I read and then cut and paste applicable sections into a Google Doc. Then I build my paper around these, changing a few words and then citing them at the end. Or providing background for my topic, I use statistics from the WHO, World Bank, or CDC without quotes. Unacknowledged paraphrase. Paraphrase is the act of putting someone else's ideas into one's own words. The use of paraphrase can be an acceptable practice under some circumstances if it is used sparingly and if the original text is properly acknowledged. Cheating is the use or attempted use of unauthorized materials, information, or study aids in in-class examinations, take-home examinations, or other academic exercises. Fabrication. Fabrication of data is the falsification or invention of data, research results, citations, or any other information used in examinations, papers, experiments, or other academic exercises. Facilitating academic dishonesty. The assistance or attempted assistance of another to commit an act of academic dishonesty. Unauthorized collaboration is a form of academic misconduct. Unless the responsible faculty member has explicitly authorized students to work collaboratively on a particular project, all academic work must be the student's own. Students who participate in joint projects or collaborative exercises are expected to make themselves aware of and to adhere to their instructor's expectations for individual contributions to the joint effort, as well as purely individual work to be prepared and submitted for assessment. The misuse of otherwise valid academic work is also a form of academic misconduct. For example, a paper submitted to satisfy the requirements for one course may not be submitted to satisfy a requirement for a second course without explicit permission of both instructors. In order to recycle your own work, you must have the permission of the instructors involved. So even after you exit school, you need to acknowledge other sources, including yourself. The misuse or deprivation of academic resources. It is a violation of academic integrity to misuse academic resources or to attempt to deprive other scholars, whether students or faculty, of equal access to academic resources whether those resources are tangible, such as a library or laboratory materials, or intangible, such as online or electronic resources. If you do engage in academic misconduct, there can be serious ramifications. If it's an initial or minor infraction, the instructor will deal with it internally. The official path is much harder. Ways of preventing academic misconduct are to be aware of definitions and examples, adhere to instructions, don't be afraid to ask for clarification and help, and organize your work. Ways of organizing your work is to keep track of references. Annotate with quotation marks and a complete reference. Use a bibliographic management tool. Plan your paper. Create an outline from your ideas, and then insert others' work where needed. You can also enhance your writing skills by using the Writing Center for help. Ways of bibliographic management are RefWorks, Zotero, and EndNote. I want to thank you for your attention. If you have questions, you may contact the Dahlgren Memorial Library at dml.georgetown.edu. Thank you.